yo, it's boy Joe. Welcome back to Anomalous Coffee Machine. Today we're doing Cup of Again. Cup of Again. That's it. I was gonna try to do like a repetition joke, just saying Cup of Again, and then just continue the cycle, but no, I didn't. That was not fluent. Sweet, then bitter, then sweet, then bitter, looping over itself like a spiral with no end. My breath catches, my skin tingles. Haven't I felt this before? Yes, we all have. Before. Oh, that is... Wow. Wow. That's a sight. Okay, that is a skeleton assassin. How are you an assassin? I honestly don't know. That is just a very fearsome sight. Oops, there you go. Oh. You do talk, but your cloth is making it move. The mask moves. It's hard to see unless I were to go into the gallery. I'll be right back. Okay, so there you go. So this is the normal animation, and it does this. That's nice. So yeah, that is my long play with the Cup of Again. If you enjoyed this episode, please stay tuned for the next video. Bye bye.